Hi, Becky. All right, so I've never used GradCam, but here's what I found so far. If I go to log in as a teacher or administrator, winds up I do have an account, so fortunately I got a password saved. I'm going to log in, and kind of like you, I don't have any real classes or assignments. These are from, well, back in 2015 when we tried it out. So I'm going to click on classes, and I'm going to click on make a new class, and I'll call this my second test class. Period 9, I'm gonna get period 9 because it's definitely not gonna overlap with any existing periods. Now I've got this, my second test class, it's period 9, and I need some students in it. So I can click on new here. I can either search for a student, although that doesn't seem to work because, oh, I just made that one. I couldn't find anybody in here at all. So I just said, create a new student. I had to give a student ID, so I just chose some very large number because I don't want it to conflict with other IDs we have. I decided to make these two match, and type in a name, hit save, and it looks like I just made a new class and a new student. Click that enough times, and you should be able to roster this whole thing. And I'm assuming this works. I really don't know. Much like you, I have this account that looks like it expires in August. I have no idea where this account came from. So there's what you can try, and I really hope it works for you.